Oh my god, oh my god, like the background is really messed up. It looks so ugly, but I still look cute, whatever. Hey beautiful people, I'm back with another YouTube video. I haven't posted for a while, I know, but like I think I'm going to try to actually like post some videos, because this time I feel like I'm going to have time. And then yeah, but anyways, I want to try to apply eyelashes, fake eyelashes, for the first time, because if you haven't realized, I really don't have eyelashes. I have no eyelashes. There's nothing on it, which is sad, I think. So since I'm going to actually try to apply eyelashes for the first time, I want to show some of you out there who actually, feel like, oh, they're scared to actually try like new things on their faces, or try, some new beauty shit. So I got my eyelashes here. These, I got them at Forever 21. They're actually nice, I think. They're 116. I guess it's really dark. I had to buy this as well. I guess this shade is for like to help you apply your eyelashes, your fake eyelashes. But today I really feel like I'm going to do well. So let's actually start this shade. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to win this. I got this though. Why is it sticky? Try to apply on them. Okay, I got this though. Oh my god. Do you even put it on top or on the bottom? I think I need help. No, I can do this. Oh my god, I can do this. I just can't. I don't see how people actually wear like fake eyelashes, because I'm lost, literally. They're so fragile that like I don't see how this thing get like to stick. Almost came close, but none of them compared to you. So let's live our life more than one night. Promise if I could, I can't even see. And now you can see that it's actually the first time that I applied this thing, because like, oh well, it doesn't look like surprisingly it got in, but like, what is this? Oh my, I can see how like this side is actually nowhere. I need help. I need Jesus. I'm just gonna find a way to hide this white glue on my eye. We're not done. Let's do the other eye. We got this time. I feel like they're in. Surprisingly, move the white liquid. Only thing that was missing was you. Who would've thought we won't be married by now? So to remove this messy, just take eye makeup remover and then take some cotton swabs, and then we're gonna try to actually clean the messy place like this. Don't put too much, and then just yeah. Cause what we have is something special, baby. Let's just take our chance. Every time I'm trying to like fix something, it actually get more messy, it's really sad. But then okay, this is good. I'm just gonna apply some mascara to actually hide everything. I can't believe I just applied like my first fake eyelashes. I just did that. I got this cute mascara. Start to apply it, but be careful. You just want them to look like more dark. I feel like this one is popping out. Let's live our life, dancing all night. You are where you should be. I want this for life. What you say? And yeah, it doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look horrible. I feel like I should hide. I just wanna hide the white shit, You are where you should be. I want this for life. What you say? And then since you don't want it to be too white, just apply a dark one on top. The dark-ish color as well on top. I feel like that's it. I look amazing. I look beautiful. Anyways, this video ends right here. I really hope I helped some of you that are actually scared to apply their fake eyelashes for the first time, because look, I just did it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.